Machu Picchu, the royal retreat of the Incan Emperor Pachacuti, sits atop the Urubamba Valley in Peru. Meaning Old Mountain in the Quechua Indian language, the complex was constructed in the 15th century as a place for the emperor and his retinue to relax, hunt or entertain foreign dignitaries. The site also boasts Huayna Picchu Mountain, which looms nearly 1,000 feet above terraces, plazas and stone ruins as mists swirl up from the Urubamba River. After the Spanish conquest in 1532, jungle growth enveloped the structures and temples. In 1911, Yale historian Hiram Bingham stumbled upon the lost city of the Incas. Since then, its magnificent setting and detailed stonework have captivated countless visitors. Declared Cultural and Natural Heritage of Humanity in 1983 by UNESCO, it is probably the most amazing architectural construction of the Inca Empire. This citadel is made up of temples, palaces, terraces, monuments, complexes and walls, in addition to water channels, built with large blocks of stone, without any amalgam, proof of the great wisdom of the Inca civilization.